Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2 Steps, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can log in into your Sage employee account. Just follow simple steps that I will show you on this video, and then you can log into your Sage account as well. First of all, open up your Google browser and then go into your search bar and just type for Sage employee login and hit on enter. After you do so, many results will be on your screen, and click on the link that says log into your online portal, Sage Employee Online Services. After you do so, it will take you to the official website of Sage, and here on the top right corner of your screen, a button for sign in and sign up. Just click on sign in, and then you'll be transported to a different page, where now you need to input your email address and password to continue into your account. Now, just input your email address and password, but in case you forgot your password, you can use this button below, forgot password, to help you reset and retrieve it. And if you are not already registered to Sage, you can also create your new account by using this button, create account, right down here. Now, just input your email address and password, then hit on login, and then you'll be logged in into your Sage employee account. And that's how you can log in into your Sage employee account. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.